Greetings to one and all. Welcome to today's video lecture on the topic promotion. I, Afaf Ahmad, Assistant Professor, would like to brief you about today's topic. So, my dear students, from the previous three classes, we have been discussing what exactly is marketing and marketing mix. So, we have discussed what are the 4 P's of marketing mix, what are the 4 main elements of marketing mix. So, as we remember, those are product, price, place, and promotion. So, we have discussed what is product, what is price, what is place, and today we will be doing our last P, which is promotion. So, what exactly do you mean by promotion, guys? It is marketing your product to the outside world. So, let's see what is promotion. So, if you see in this, the definition of promotional or promotion mix is defined as the promotion mix, also known as marketing communication mix, because we are communicating our product to the outside world, is the specific blend of promotion tools that the company uses to market its products and build a better customer relationship. So, this has been defined by Kotler. One more definition what can be told is promotion is the marketing term used to describe all marketing communication activities that includes personal selling, sales promotion, public relation, direct selling, then you have advertisement, then you have sponsorship. So all these comprise of your promotions. So let's see what are the elements of promotion. So we have various tools and elements which are used to help a company promote its products. So what are those? Those are your advertising, then you have selling, that is the personal selling, then you have your sales promotion, then you have exhibitions, then sponsorships, then you have trade off, then you have public relations. So all this put together are your elements for your promotions. So let's discuss individually what exactly is each one of them. So our first element is advertising. Advertising is a paid for communication. See guys, advertisement is never cheap and never free. The only free and most effective form of advertising I can say is word of mouth. Word of mouth is where one customer freely gives his opinion, expresses his views about a particular product or a service. Whereas advertising is a paid feature where a company pays for to advertise, to market its products into the market. So it is used to develop the attitudes. It is also used to create awareness and transmit information in order to gain a response from a targeted market. So it develops certain attitude towards your product and services. It creates awareness. If your product is new in the market, it creates awareness in the minds of the customers. It also helps to transfer the information to the people. There are various sources of advertising which are your local newspapers, which can be local, national, international. Then you have your magazines and journals which are of 15 days, monthly, half yearly or yearly. Then you have televisions which broadcast your advertisements locally, nationally, terrestrially, and worldwide. That's through satellite. Our next element is personal selling. Personal selling is one of the key feature which gives you a touch with the customers and the company. So here, one individual person is assigned to sell your product or service, but this doesn't come cheap. Your personal selling managers are very expensive. That's why you have to analyze which products and services you have to market and where your personal sale person will pitch into. So usually your sale of high-end cars, then your sale of house properties, these are usually about 10 to 20 lakhs. So there is a high margin for a salesperson to incur from this. So for example, if one car costs 20 lakhs and if a salesperson sells it, then 1 to 2% will be his commission, which will be around 20 to 40,000. This is apart from his salary. So salesperson are very effective to improve your customer relationship, but also they are expensive. Your next element is your sales promotion. Sales promotion is where you give lot of advertisement, lot of features to the public. It is thought to be one of the promotionals apart from your advertising and personal selling. So for example, you have seen lot of ads which says buy one get one free, 50% discount, summer sale, winter sale. This is or they give other features like they include coupons, like if you buy now, next purchase you will get 50% off, or it is free, or buy one get one free. Then you have competitions, free accessories which will be given from one item, like if you buy a razor you will get a blade free, if you buy a television the installation will be free, and so on. So every company has to carefully analyze the cost effectiveness of this and then promote the products. Our next element is trade fairs and exhibition. So these are a good approach to capture your market and get new clients and customers. So here you can showcase your products, your services, and attract new customers. You get to meet new clients, and you also get to meet other traders who will be interested in your products and taking forward your company. Our next element is sponsorship. Sponsorship is one of the key factors which helps in your development of the company. So a sponsorship is usually given in large events. For example, in your IPL matches, your Olympics, Formula 1 driving. So here what happens is these events are spectated by millions of people worldwide. So when these people watch these events, your product is marketed or shown in the background. What happens here is when people are watching these events, they also have your product image in the back of their mind. So this helps in advertising as well as capturing the market in a global sense. And our last element is public relation. Public relation is also one of the key attribute in your promotions. What happens here is your public relation can be cheap, but it is certainly not free. So a company has to successfully plan and tend to have a long-term plan for capturing a relationship between the customer and the company. So what happens is if you have a good customer relationship, your advertisement shouldn't be that frequent, because you have already captured the market and you have already have your product in the minds of the customers. So these were few of the elements of your marketing mix of promotion. So we have discussed all the 4 P's of marketing mix, that is product, price, place, promotion. So if you have any doubts in this 4 P's of marketing mix, kindly ping me and we will discuss on this. Have a good day. Take care.